Doubters that don't believe XRP's market cap is going to get to a higher level, I think you're going to be upset. But then again, you might not be completely upset because everybody has their own opportunities that they want to get into. And I'm not going to tell you that you're going to regret your decision and that, you're going to spend the rest of your days saying, well, I should have bought XRP or I should have been a part of this project or I should have believed in it more. I'm not going to say that, right? There may be some of you that do end up saying that and feeling that way because there are people that have done that with Ethereum, people have done that with Bitcoin, people that have done that with tech stocks. And that's just the way it is, right? You miss out on opportunities, but everybody has an opportunity to take on something, right? And there are many of opportunities in your however many years of living. Whether you're talking about tech stocks, whether you're talking about Bitcoin, or you're talking about just buying into a certain startup company that then becomes a Fortune 500 company. So there's a lot of opportunities. I'm just saying that I think XRP is one of those opportunities. Just like Bitcoin was, just like Ethereum was, just like many other things that are even in the top, 10 or top 25. So what I want to talk about here today is I want to talk about XRP getting to that $1 trillion market cap, which I believe it definitely can. I believe it will. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys are interested in signing up for BTCC, that link is at the top of the description. It is honestly a fantastic platform that I've been using for over a year. And if you specifically use my link, you will get a 10% deposit bonus. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055, up to 40% lower trading fees, and you can enter the giveaway, which is going on until the end of this month, December 31st. If you sign up, deposit, and trade, you will be entered to win 500 USDC, or USDT, sorry, on that platform on BTCC. So feel free to, just sign up, deposit anything, trade anything, and you could be entered for that giveaway. Now, XRP is one of my favorite positions, if not my favorite position, because it combines utility with popularity and just all around looking at what we want to see within cryptocurrency, right? When I'm talking about a popular project, there's no living or there's no project that can live without that popularity. If it has popularity and no utility, it can still survive. It's just not going to have that long lasting feel or a forever coin feel to it, right? So you need to marry the two. You need to see utility, you need to see popularity, and XRP really has all of that. And it even factors in large scale popularity and utility. So currently XRP stands at $1.86. It is down by 1% in the last 24 hours. It is at a $112 billion market cap. Definitely has come down a far way from the peak point, of a $3.65 level, or even the all-time high of $3.84. We were approaching that level, and I'm pretty sure we're going to see it break that level sometime soon. But again, that's just my opinion. For the circulating supply, you have 60 billion. The holders about 500,000, and the max supply is 100 billion coins. So when I have this conversation with people to say where XRP is going to be, there are people all over the place where somebody would say, I see what you're saying. XRP has the potential to do this, 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 and this. And if it does, you have max market caps that you can get to based on those things that are happening. So seeing a 500 billion or $1 trillion market cap in the things that I have broken down, it makes sense to those people. However, there's some people that are doubters, some people that are on the fence that will say, no, it will not get there. This other position will be what you believe this is going to be. XRP was always in their mind something that was a legal problem, right? That we were going to see XRP fail and go to zero because of what the SEC was doing. Well, the SEC is kind of out of the picture, sort of, and you see actual legal clarity with XRP. So where is that now? Like, where are you now? Are you, completely turned over and saying, all right, I see what you're saying. Now I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. But there's still people that just don't see it, that just don't see that XRP is going to be as massive as I believe it's going to be. Now, just to kind of break things down, right? An XRP at a $1 trillion market cap, to reach $1 trillion market cap with approximately 58.6 billion circulating XRP. The price per XRP would need to be around $17. While some analysts see potential for XRP to reach $5 to $10 or higher, a $1 trillion valuation will represent a massive expansion requiring significant adoption and network growth to complete established financial systems. Note Yahoo Finance, Crypto Ninjas, the Motley Fool, and so on and so forth. Now, I will say that many of what we've seen, many predictions of what we've seen, have all said the same thing about a Bitcoin, have all said the same thing about an Ethereum, have all said the same thing about even some tech companies that reached a $1 trillion market cap or multiple $1 trillion market cap. Because no one truly knows where things are going to go. You can say, oh, based on adoption, and it has to do so many big things, but Bitcoin didn't have to do huge things in order to get to where it is. Ethereum didn't have to do huge things in order to get to where it was. XRP, arguably, XRP has done just as much as Ethereum and Bitcoin, if not more. Ripple has done just as much as Ethereum or Bitcoin, if not more. So why does XRP have to fall under, oh, it has to get all of these things done in order to reach a $1 trillion market cap, when Bitcoin has done this? Because Bitcoin is kind of the end all be all, is the starting point and the ending point for cryptocurrency? Possibly. But XRP is also there. It's also been in the conversation for many of years. And it has experienced much growth, so much growth that many people have become very wealthy off of the XRP movement that we've seen thus far. So to question whether XRP can get to these levels is insane. It's asinine. I think it has so much to do with the fact that those people would believe in their projects more than they would believe in anything else. And they want to see one succeed rather than all succeed. Even though we know that there is room, we know that this thing will happen. We know we will see it succeed in the end. So my belief, a $1 trillion market cap is a no-brainer. I honestly believe it's going to be at a multiple $1 trillion market cap, upwards of $5 or $10 trillion market cap, if not more than that. And many people in my comment section are saying, hey, Matt, I don't appreciate what you're doing. I'm a big fan of XRP, but I don't appreciate you talking about XRP and talking about the market cap as if there is a limit. There are many people that believe there is no limit and market cap will not be a factor. And while we can look at that and say, yes, we can say for sure, I believe you there, and I see your point there. But also to an extent of many of the normal investors and traditional investors, they have to see something and compare it to something before we can see what XRP will be in the largest scale. Does that make sense? So in my mind, $1 trillion market cap for XRP is a no-brainer. 2, 3, 4, 5, $10 trillion market cap we will see for XRP in the future. Does it have to be next year? Does it have to be 5 years from now? No, it could be 10, it could be 20, it could be 30. I might not be around. I could be around. My kids could be around. And what we will see is that XRP is flourishing and is worth so much more based on many different factors, not just what it's doing on paper or what it's doing in real life, but also the investment side of things. So many different factors. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. And if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, that's at the top of the description. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.